Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, I'm Sharon Jack Kenya. So guys, I want to show you where I have been all those days that I haven't been posting. So guys, welcome to this drawer. All these have been my pregnancy what medication. Yeah, all these are for like about how many months? 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 months, for 6 months, because I started my clinic when I was 4 months pregnant. Yeah, I started clinic when I was 4 months pregnant, and ever since I became sick all through my pregnancy. I was always weak, always tired, 24/7. I was tired from the word getting up from bed in the morning. So guys, I'm fine, I'm back. You see my hair, how it looks. I'm the one who did this. I undid the cornrows zenye nilikuwa nimeshukwa za maternity and nikajishuka hizi matuta. This is how they look for now. This is my hair for now. I already gave birth to a bouncing baby girl. Yeah, so I want to do this video cleaning my room with you guys. I'm sorry I was not able to take you through my pregnancy journey because guys, I was always sick like 24/7. You see all this medication, it's not a joke. It was not easy for me. I don't like medicine, but with these ones I had to take them all through. Like for instance, this one was smelling really bad. It had a very bad smell. This one is chewable. It is the only medication that I can say I have enjoyed taking throughout my pregnancy. So this is where I had kept my medication in this drawer. I want to remove these boxes, declutter them, like throw them away, because with the pregnancy journey, and now we are starting a new chapter, a new series with being a mommy. Our baby girl is like 2 weeks old now. Yeah, she's 2 weeks. So guys, come along as I clean this room and rearrange it. First, let me show you how the room looks, and then we will arrange together. First of all, to begin, this is our baby girl's bed. Here is where she sleeps. I'll songesha this nini. I usually return the drawer in because our bedroom is too tiny even for it. So here is my bed. This is how it looks. Everything is on top of the bed. The bedroom is smaller. I'm looking for a bigger house before baby came, but I couldn't find, and my heart was already settled in our home, so I didn't see any need for moving. So for now, baby's crib is here, and this is where I sleep. I want to do some just simple cleaning in the room, and I want to do it with you guys. I'm taking you guys along. Yeah, welcome back, and in case you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking our video. I used this maternity pad. They are called Medicoat, but for now zilisha. In here is only surgical spirit that I was using to wipe kitofu ya mtoto, and cotton wool. Yeah, we will be wiping up there and everything here. So yeah, I stopped for a little bit for lunch. So this is beans and rice, and here is my tea, and here is our baby girl. I'll be going back to the bedroom to do the cleaning and organization nikimaliza kukula. See you then. now that this place is clean, I'm going to put back the curtain, the sheer, like that, and then I will return the crib. The crib, the crib. Yeah, like that. So I want to finish by this place and remove these clothings, and then I want to arrange these ones.